Hi everybody, Kenny Daigle with KD Cuts. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to do some more acrylic paint pouring on leather. I've done several videos on the topic, and I think a couple of years ago I did one for you where I did a paint pour on a belt called a dirty pour. This is an embossed belt blank from Tandy, and I can assure you the owner is very happy with this belt. In today's video, we're going to do a paint pour on a belt. So let's go over to the workbench and get started. Here's a belt blank, an embossed belt blank from Tandy. It's got a geometric pattern in it. I've sealed off and taped the back. Here's all my metallic colors. I'm going to go crazy on this one with the metallics. I've got turquoise, copper, bronze, a gold, a silver, metallic red, metallic blue, and metallic purple. This is going to be a lot of fun. Flyover, guys. What do you think? I'm going to do another flyover in a couple of days when this dries. It'll take a good 48 hours before I touch this thing. So I've let the paint pour set up for several days, back 3 or 4 days. And here's the paint pour from a couple of years ago. So you can see that together. When I did this a couple of years ago, I used a dirty pour technique. You can go back and look at that, where you mix the paints before you pour them on your project. Here, I did something that I call a static pour. I poured the colors on the belt, and then I manipulated the belt and let the colors flow after being poured on the piece. A little bit of a difference, but again, I like both ideas. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little technique. I'm going to use some black acrylic in a needle bearing oiler, a fine brush, dry, and I'm going to have a little rag. And this is a technique, if you go look at MII Painting on YouTube, you'll see that she does this. She uses black to accent paint pours. Now, I've done a little bit on the end of the belt, and I'm accenting every other square in the center set of the squares in this geometric design. So I'm going to do this along the whole belt, and then show you what that looks like. The belt is finished. I've used Super Sheen on top of the acrylic. I used my little highlighting technique, my MI painting highlight technique. I've got some other ideas about that I guarantee that you will see in future videos. So, an acrylic paint poured belt. You will amaze and dazzle people if you take this kind of challenge on. Hope you found this interesting. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos on interesting topics in leatherwork. See you soon.